Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Samantha the Social Engineer. Today is World Environment Day, so that I have prepared a presentations on that. So before going to discuss in details about World Environment Day presentations, those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer, so that you can get up to date information about general knowledge, different quizzes and current affairs, as well as video series on social science and video series on CTV, PD, MED and OTT, CTET, OSSTET, etc. So let's discuss. First one, World Environment Day 2021. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5 every year. It is the United Nations flagship day for promoting worldwide awareness and action for the environment. Second, over the years, it has grown to be the largest global platform for environmental public outreach and is celebrated by millions of the people across the world. And third one, this year the day is being hosted by our neighboring country Pakistan in partnership with the UN Environment Program, that is popularly known as UNEP, with the theme of ecosystem restoration. The theme of this year is ecosystem restoration. Next, with the COVID-19 pandemic, the climate has been suffering ever more with increased use of plastics and non-biodegradable things, including PPE kits, masks, and other things. This year, the urgency of preventing, halting, and reversing the degradations of ecosystem worldwide is the main focus and concern. UNEP, United Nations Environment Program Executive Director Inger Anderson said 2020 was a year of reckoning, facing multiple crises including a global pandemic, COVID-19, and the continued crisis of climate, nature, and populations. In 2021, we must take deliberate steps to move from the crisis to healing, and in so doing, we must recognize that the restoration of the nature is imperative to the survival of our planet and the human race. So next, that is World Environment Day history. What is the history? What are the history behind the celebrations of World Environment Day all over the world, across the world? World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations at the Stockholm, Sweden's Conference on the Human Environment that had resulted from discussions on the integrations of human interactions and environment. Second, 2 years later, in the year 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme "Only One Earth." Even though, even though World Environment Day celebrations have been held annually since 1974, in 1987, the idea for rotating the center of this activity through selecting different host country began in 1987. Next, that is the theme of what are the themes of this year? The theme of 47 World Environment Day is ecosystem restorations, and this year the focus is on resetting relations with nature. World Environment Day on 5 June will also mark the formal launch of UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. The UN Decade is intended to massively scale up the restorations of degraded, destroyed ecosystem to fight the climate crisis, prevent the loss of a million species, and enhance the food security, water supply, and livelihoods. Reviving natural carbon sinks such as forests, peatlands could help close the climate emissions gap by 25% by 2030. Here is the different year of theme and hosted country that given in 1974. The first year, that is the theme "Only One Earth" during Expo 74, or hosted by Spokane, United States. 1975, human settlement, Dhaka, Bangladesh. In 2001 and 2018, it was hosted by India. The theme are in 2011 Forest, Nature at Your Service, and in 2018 Beat Plastic Pollution. So, two times India hosted the World Environment Day, and in 2019 the theme of the World Environment Day was Beat Air Pollutions. China in 2020 Time for Nature, that is celebrated or hosted by Colombia, and this year in 2021 the theme is ecosystem restoration, and it will be hosted by Pakistan. Next, that is your World Environment Day anthem. An Earth anthem penned by poet Abhay K is sung by celebrate World Environment Day, and the anthem was launched in June 2013 on the occasions of World Environment Day by Kapil Sibal and Shashi Tharoor, the Union Ministers of India, at a function organized by Indian Council of Cultural Relations in New Delhi. It supported by global organizations Habitat for Humanity. This is the poem that penned by Abhay Kumar. Our cosmics oasis, cosmics blue pearl, the most beautiful planet in the universe. All the continents and all the oceans united we stand as flora and fauna. United we stand as species of one earth, different cultures, beliefs, and ways. We are humans. The earth is our home. All the people and the nations of the world, all for one and one for all. United we unfold the blue marble flower. This is the poem that written. Next, that is reimagines, recreate, restores. The main focus of this year theme, that is restoration of ecosystem. For too long we have been exploiting and destroying our planet's ecosystem. Every 3 seconds the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch, and over the last century we have destroyed half of our wetlands. As much as 50% of our coral reefs have been already lost, and up to 90% of coral reefs could be lost by 2050, even if global warming is limited to an increase of 1.5 degrees Celsius. So ecosystem loss is depriving the world of carbon sinks like forest and peatlands. At a times humanity can least afford it. Global greenhouse gas emissions have grown for 3 consecutive years, and the planet is on pace for potentially catastrophic climate change. So, the emergence of COVID-19 has also shown just how disastrous the consequence of ecosystem loss can be. By shrinking the area of natural habitat for animals, we have created ideal conditions for pathogens including coronavirus to spread. With this big and challenging picture, the World Environment Day is focused in the ecosystem restoration, and its theme is reimagine, recreate, and restore. Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting, and reversing this damage to get from exploiting nature to healing it. And this World Environment Day will kick off the UN's Decade on Ecosystems Restoration 2021 to 2030, a global mission to revive billions of hectares from forest to farmlands, from the two mountains to the depth of the pit holes. Investigating in the ecosystem is investing in ecosystem is investing in our future. From the forest to peatlands to coast, we all depend on healthy ecosystem for our survival. Ecosystems are defined as the interactions between living organisms, plants, animals, people with their surroundings. This includes nature but also human-made systems such as cities or farms. Ecosystem restoration is a global undertaking and massive scale. It means repairing billions of hectares of land, an area greater than China or USA, so that people have access to food, clean water, and jobs. It means bringing back plants and animals from the brink of extinctions, from the peaks of mountains to the depths of the sea. That is, restoring ecosystem carries substantial benefit for peoples. For every dollar investment in restorations, at least $7 to $30 in returns for society can be expected. Restorations also create jobs in rural areas where they are most needed. Some countries have already invested in restoration as part of their strategy to bounce back from COVID-19. Others are turning to restorations to help them adapt to a climate that is already changing. So, here, did you know what about the the problem of environment, climate change? Let's discuss. Did you know? First one, over 4.7 million hectares of forest, an area larger than Denmark, are lost every year. Nearly 80% of the world's wastewater is discharged to our oceans and rivers without treatment. Wetlands are being drained for agriculture, with some 87% lost globally in last 300 years. Persist present in more than 180 countries. Peatlands are vital superpower ecosystems, though they cover only 3% of the world land and they store nearly 30% of its soil carbon. So this is the green pictures of photographs of World Environment Day. Here is the one poster that wake up humans, you are endangered. This is the picture that touch our heart, touch our mind. We are endangered. Human beings are endangered. Climate change is work, is worse than homework, and solve our for save our art for our grandchildren. Here is the image, reimagines, recreate, and restore. These are the some photographs uh, that creates virals in the internets about the effects or impacts of climate change. This is the necessity of focusing the reviving the environment, reviving the ecosystems, because all are in dangers. The human beings, the flora, the fauna, everything are in dangers. So this is called the 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 wake of humans, you are endangered. Next, that is World Environment Day 2021 quotes. Deforestation is changing our climate, harming people and the natural world. We must and can reverse this trend. Happy World Environment Day 2021. Save this tree as it is best gift to our coming generation. This is the best way to have a greener environment. Make World Environment Day more successful by planting more trees. World Environment Day is a reminder that we must take good care of our surrounding. Let us make a promise to make our planet a greener and healthier place for us to live and enjoy life. One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. No nature, no future. No nature, no future. So you have to focus for reviving, rejuvenating the ecosystem, restoring the ecosystems. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay happy, healthy, and safe.